Got me in focus, focus, focus. Hey, how y'all doing? This is Will from Say How You Feel. And yes, I am back yet again with another banger. And today we're going to talk about, you're just going to have to wait and find out after this intro. Be right back. So today what we're going to do is talk about, you guessed it, probably read the title if you're watching the video, DTF. And the reason why I want to talk about DTF is because I've seen a lot of videos on it, and for what it's worth, I will say DTF is a game changer in the sense that it allows people who want Supercolor like qualities, because Supercolor has its issues as well, but Supercolor qualities to get that at home. You know, for what it's all intents and purposes, it's still a film. Supercolor provides a film. The white toner printers provide a film. It's not new. It's just new on a close to inkjet-like style. You know, it allows us to use basically inkjet printers to fulfill what we would at one point would have to either order out from some form of from some company such as Supercolor, or we would have to buy a white toner printer to get that kind of quality. I will be honest, I like Supercolor. I mean, I like DTF. I do. I think it's a great product. I think it is a very game changer in the sense that allows people to do full color images and not have to do any weeding or cutting or put through a cameo or a plotter to cut the paper around, because let's be honest, we've been doing full color images, and you know, we've been doing inkjet transfer forever. So with that being said, it allows, you know, that's nothing new doing a full color image, but it gives us less work. I would say, I won't say less work because you still got to put the powder and cure. I would just say it supposedly lasts longer. And I'm saying supposedly only because the product has been out for the market for at home use in the U.S. I think people, you know, the first time I probably heard of it about 8 months, almost a year ago or something like that. And if we're honest about it, everybody's still trying to figure it out. Everybody's still trying to see what this product does. You know, we're still trying to learn the printers, the software. You know, I have been in my little cave for a while with my software and my L1800, and just been trying to learn it and figure it out. And just, you know, I was when I first got it, I had people I would call to get help, and they helped. You know, lately I just kind of like, I got quiet, you know, in my little quiet space. And anybody knows me, when I get in that quiet space, I'm just really delving into or diving into what I'm trying to get done. You know what I'm saying? Learning what I need to learn, because I don't like going to people for any reason if I don't have to. So what my take is on the DTF phenomenon going on, I have to say it's cool, but it's just another form of printing. That's just my honest take on it. It is just another form of printing. You know, for most people I know that have DTF printers, and they have multiple ones because they go down. Well, here's the thing: my inkjet printer ain't never went down, and at the best, I might have to do a head cleaning, and I'm running. Uh, all intents and purposes, my sublimation printer ain't went down. But I'm specifically talking to something that is allows me to print across multiple situations. Like I can print on polyester, I can print on cotton with an inkjet transfer. So I'm saying that's why I said that my inkjet printers never went down. I don't have to change heads. I don't have to do this. I don't have to do that. Whatever. It does what it needs to do. I push print, it prints. I don't really have to maintenance other than pushing a head clean. I'd like to do a head clean once a day just to keep the ink flowing through and all of that. The DTF has a lot of maintenance. So I would say to the person who does not know how to maintenance, or who does not want to maintenance, or who does not want to have to deal with all of that, that's not the way for you. Order transfers and keep it pushing. Don't spend $2,000, really $3,000, into getting into something that you are not really going to be fully invested in. I even thought about going what is that? The DTG route until I realized you just got just as much maintenance on that as you do this. And I'll be honest, I thought about getting another printer just because I'm trying to build a business that kind of centers around doing the DTF. But I don't know yet because, like I said, I'll do an inkjet transfer. My customers don't complain; they don't mind, so I really don't care either way. But I think that a lot of people are putting too much stock into a printing process that has not fully been vetted yet. That has not had, and not to quote Stan Banks, but that has systems. Sometimes you need something with systems. Now I won't say okay, I have to go get a sawgrass because my workforce does what I need to do, and like I said, it doesn't go down like that. I can get an eco tank; it's not going to go down like that. But right now, you know, uh, you got to get new parts for these printers. You got to do this, you got to do that, and it's not like okay, you had it forever and you replace it. You don't have you got to replace it because you had it for 15 years. We've only been doing DTF for about a year. Let's just be honest. You know what I'm saying? And still, we're finding ourselves having to replace parts consistently, and and like I say, I've only had it about a month, and this is one month review. Do I like the product? Yes. Do I think the product is great? Yes. Do I feel that it is the holy grail of printing T-shirts? Not by far. I think everything has a purpose. Everything has a reason. I still like vinyl. My vinyl's my get down when it comes to doing certain things. If I only got one color, I'm not going to use my DTF printer. This is all honesty. If I'm not doing, and I want to say photos, I'm going to say if I'm not doing something for a company that is high end or something like that, I don't know if I'm, or if it's not like a design that is text heavy and a design that would need to be done that I think would come out better in DTF. If I can do it in vinyl, I'm doing it in vinyl. I'm just going to be honest. Because I don't see the purpose in doing it in DTF. DTF is strong for, because to me what I've noticed is if you use it for a big, like square picture, it's heavy. At least in my opinion. That's just my opinion. I don't know what everybody else is experiencing. I'm only speaking from my opinion. It's heavy. It has a weight to it. It has a feel. It feels like inkjet transfer. I'm just going to be honest. It is what it is. Do I advise everybody to get it? No. But do I advise everybody to get transferred when you can? Yes. Because it'll get the job done at a cheaper price. But at the same time, if I'm doing a RIP shirt, I'm probably not going to use DTF. I'm probably going to more likely use an inkjet transfer, the thing I've been using. Because overall, I don't have time to be bothered with it. Prints slower. I got time for that. If I'm doing 30 inkjet transfer shirts or 30 picture shirts, you might get 4 prints out of this thing an hour. If I'm only getting 4 an hour, do you know how long that's gonna take? But if I hit you with that inkjet transfer, I'm liable to be done, you know, in an hour, printing them out. Just, and I'm done. So there are a lot of factors, and you have to weigh as a business person. You know, a lot of people have gotten these things, and they got the second one, and they get into the transfer printing business. Well, the question is that the business that you want to go into? And if that's the business you want to go into, then cool, do you? No problem with that. But if that's not your business model, then I would not go buying a DTF printer. And that's just my honest opinion. I would go ahead, and there are other things you can spend your $2,000 on, or whatever it's gonna cost you, 2, 3, whatever. Does that mean I'm not gonna use it? No. Does that mean I'm not gonna do pictures and videos of me using it? No, because I still do people's T-shirts. So I'm still gonna, you know, sell the product. I'm still gonna use it, and I still show you how to use it. I still show you how to use the designer, all of that. But at the same token, I don't advise, if you have not bought this printer or a DTF printer, and you're not going to want to do the maintenance, you're not going to want to you're not going to want to fix it, you're not going to want to do the things that need to do to keep that thing running, don't spend your $2,000 on. Find something else to spend your money on. So that being said, y'all have a great day. Thank you for joining. If you think this video is helpful, please share. Again, subscribe, like, comment. Let me know what your thoughts are. Do you think it's worth it? Or do you think just ordering transfers is better? It's up to you. You're the one who got to spend the money. I'm just saying, I'm spending my $2,000. I'm in it, all in it. You know, I'm all in it. No problem. I'm done. That's a wrap for me. Now, will I go buy another one? I don't know yet. If I can find a printer that I might want to convert myself at a cheaper price, I don't know. But I'll be honest with you, I have taken the designs that I sell that I would use the DTF for. I've also created on inkjet transfers and taught myself or put myself in a position that I can go to mediums. Because here's the thing, this DTF might run me a certain amount to print. I may have to spend a little bit more, but I price my shirts on my Etsy pages. On my Etsy page, I price it at a way that if I price it like I'm doing it in vinyl, or I'm doing an inkjet transfer, or I'm doing it in both mediums. So if I can get this to work, and it works, great. But I'll price it and situate myself in a way that I can still do it in vinyl and inkjet transfer and make a profit. So that's the one piece of advice. If you're buying the printer and you don't want to spend money on both printers, on 2 printers, then I would go ahead and price your stuff in a way that you can do it in a different medium. If I do a bulk order and I want to use Supercolor, okay, I price it as if I'm doing Supercolor, but I may do it in this, or I may do it in inkjet transfer. It doesn't matter which way I go. Guess what I'm not going to do? I'm never going to undercut myself. So you always got to be mindful to always know what your business model is, and understand that you need to make sure that your profit margin is good, and that you're in a position to go ahead and say, hey, this didn't work out, let me go this route. So with that being said, have a good one. Peace out.